don't put links in your bio and not promote them and expect to get sales from your affiliate marketing programs. Like, just don't do that. If you are someone who has ever wondered how affiliate marketers are making bank, then this video is going to be perfect for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get started and why this could be your ticket to financial freedom. So grab a coffee, pen and paper, be ready to take notes, and let's get started. Also, be sure to stick around to the end of this video because I'm going to share with you guys 3 different affiliate platforms that don't require a big following to get started, is beginner friendly, and is perfect for anyone that's ready to get started with affiliate marketing. Trust me, one of these 3 platforms are going to be the game changer for you as an affiliate marketer. Also, you want to make sure you are subscribing, not for me, but really for you. I created this channel here to serve as a resource to help you guys become financially free. Step 1 is you need to learn how to understand affiliate marketing and how it works. Affiliate marketing is simply recommending products or a service that someone else has created. So if you have a product in your link in your bio and someone goes ahead and purchases that product, you will earn a commission from that sale, if you're doing it right as an affiliate marketer. So with affiliate marketing, there is no need to create your own products. There's no need to ship. There's no need to take inventory. You're not doing anything but promoting someone else's product. So for example, one of my favorite affiliate programs when it comes to promoting products is going to be DHgate. So whenever I create content referring a product and someone purchases that product, I earn a commission. Or also, whenever I make a video about becoming a DHgate affiliate and then I have an affiliate sign up under me, I also gain a commission from that. The thing about affiliate marketing is that you want to make sure you are joining or becoming a part of an affiliate program that aligns with your niche, that aligns with the type of content that you are creating. Which brings me to step 2. You have to figure out your niche. I know you guys get tired of, I say this in all my videos, I know you guys really get tired of hearing niche, but having a niche is very important if you are going to be successful at anything that pertains to online. So what is your niche? Your niche is going to be something that you are very passionate about. It could be beauty, it could be tech, it could be home decor. The key is to choose something that you love. It will make creating content come to you effortlessly. So once you have figured out your niche, you then want to find these affiliate programs. A lot of them are going to turn out to be platforms where you can use multiple different products as an affiliate. For instance, if you're into fashion, a good affiliate program for you would be Reward Style. Or platforms like to Know It. This is where you're able to link different products from so many different vendors and sellers and brands, and then you link them all in one place. Like, let's say I have this outfit on and I wanted to link my necklace, I want to link my headband, my glasses. I can link everything and be able to earn from all of those products at once from linking them on one post or a video. So step 3 to becoming an affiliate marketer is starting to create content. Now let's talk about content. So the best affiliate marketers do not just drop random links. Please don't put links in your bio and not promote them and expect to get sales from your affiliate marketing programs. Like, just don't do that. You have to provide value in your content. You have to share tutorials. You have to share how-tos. You have to share lookbooks. You have to actually review these products and show people how they work for you and what they can do for the viewer. Like, for instance, being an affiliate on TikTok, you're able to get free samples once you are in this program, but don't expect to come into this program and get free samples right away. You might have to start with buying your samples. So once you get these products, let's say I always stick with press-on nails. So what I'm gonna do is simply install these nails and show a before and after, and also include the benefits of buying or purchasing these press-on nails as to going to the nail salon. There has to be something that the viewer is getting out of this video. Pro tip is that you need to figure out where your audience hangs out. The younger kids, younger people are on TikTok. TikTok is also a very informational sharing app. Then you have Instagram, where it's very polished and everything seems to be perfect on there. Facebook is for the more older audience. So you have to figure out where your people are, which platform your people are on. I don't want you guys to worry about your content being perfect. It does not have to be perfect. You just need to start posting. You can always adapt and grow as you go, which you will do anyway. Which actually brings me to step 4, which is going to be tracking and optimizing. So I need you guys to track your affiliate links. I need you guys to track what products are doing well, what content is doing well, well so that you can know which content is actually working for you and your affiliate marketing. So a lot of these affiliate marketing platforms, they actually give you insights as to what links are being purchased or which platform is driving you the most sales. What you're gonna do is just take this data and tweak it where it needs to be tweaked. It's going to make sense if you're getting a certain type of video that is going viral. Stop trying to experiment and posting different type of random content. Just stick to whatever piece of content, type of content, style of content is working. Just stick to it. Sometimes you guys, you just have to stop trying to reinvent the wheel and just roll with what works. And most of all, I need you guys to remember that the more consistent you are, the more sales you will drive. It's just like having an online business. If you are not constantly promoting your product the right way, using a strategy, then you are not going to get sales. It's the same way for affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is not made to be a get-rich scheme, but with the right strategy, it can definitely transform your income. So are you guys ready to start your affiliate marketing journey? Let me know in the comments. What niche are you most excited about? Like, what niche are you going to choose for your affiliate marketing? Remember, you guys, you got this, and I'm right over here cheering you on every step of the way. Remember what I said in the beginning for the bonuses? Here are those 3 platforms. The first platform is going to be Share for Sell. A lot of the major brands are on this platform, and you can simply sign up just by creating an account. It is open to beginners, and it does not require you to have a large following to sign up. Next platform is going to be ClickBank. I don't know if you guys noticed, but digital products are on the rise. I mean, like crazy. Digital products are literally everywhere. So it's either you join it, you get a piece of the pie, or you get left out. So ClickBank is a platform where you can find digital products, obviously products that you don't have to create, and you can promote them and earn a affiliate commission. This platform is beginner friendly, and they have digital products like ebooks, courses, as well as softwares that people can download. The third and the last platform is going to be Digistore24, and this platform is definitely on the rise because it's what affiliate marketers are going to get digital products. This platform is the most recent digital product affiliate marketing platform. ClickBank is a little older. So it's the same concept. It's digital products, courses, ebooks, software. All you have to do is promote someone else's digital product and you earn a commission from that sale. There is no follower requirement, and they do have high commission products. And the cool thing is that these digital products can be paired with faceless content as well. If you enjoyed this video here, I know you will absolutely love this video here on finding your target audience. So that is going to be it for today's video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace and much love. Bye guys.